OFS versus IPO. Friends and investors, in this video, we will break down the differences between OFS and IPO. Are you ready to raise your financial IQ? OFS stands for Offer for Sale and IPO stands for Initial Public Offering. Both OFS and IPO bring in new stakeholders for the company, but they have many differences too. Before we look at the differences, let's look at three similarities. 1. Both retail investors like you and institutional investors like mutual funds and insurance companies can participate in IPOs and OFS. IPOs and OFS are announced ahead of time and investors can place bids before they go live. 3. You can invest in both IPOs and OFS on the Angel Broking app. Here are 8 main differences between OFS and IPO. 1. IPO unlisted companies का होता है और OFS listed companies का. 2. IPOs are typically for smaller companies, while companies in top 200 of market cap on the stock exchange can offer OFS. 3. In an IPO, new shares are issued. In an OFS, no new shares are issued. 4. An IPO by definition dilutes the earnings per share, but an OFS does not. This is because in an IPO, new shares are issued and denominator in the EPS formula shoots up. 5. In an IPO, new capital comes into the company and this is not necessarily the case with an OFS. 6. In an OFS, the ownership of the shares changes hands. In the IPO, new stakeholders grab the newly issued shares. 7. The purpose of an OFS is to allow promoters and shareholders with more than 10% stake in the company to dilute or clear their position. The purpose of an IPO is to allow younger companies to raise public funds to fuel their expansion. 8. Both IPO and OFS are used by the government, but in different ways. The government uses OFS to dilute and divest from its ownership in public sector companies. For example, the government is planning to use an OFS to dilute its position in IRCTC and raise 4,000 plus crores. On the other hand, the government uses IPOs to raise funds for the future expansion of certain companies. There are 2 big state-owned companies that had recent IPOs, Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders and SBI Cards. Thank you for watching this video. Share it with friends who are curious about the exact differences between OFS and IPOs.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.